Would you like to do a performance for your internet fans? Maybe your pole's too small because your ass got so fat. Your pole's too small for scratching. You want your internet fans to all chip in on PayPal and get you a new pole. Because you... What? Here, Fizzley, here's a boat. Here's a boat. Come on, let's go get tits high. There's a leaf coming. Here comes a leaf. Come on, Fizzley. Come on. Get in front of him, please, so he'll come towards you. Oh, he's so stupid. You don't see this every day? Ah! It's so wet. Stop it. That's my camera lens, a-hole. Ah! Fizzley, there's a birdie right here. Fizzley, here's a birdie. His leash is on his forehead.
Slightly unstable tomorrow, especially through the foothills, as that heat starts to build in, and then temperatures improving as well tomorrow to 20.
I don't care if you go up there, you just aren't allowed to fall asleep. I can see you're getting sleepy. One eye opened, one eye closed. You can't sleep on the door. That's bad, right? Why do you like it so much up there? Kitty, are you becoming unhinged? Have people teased you and called you a knob? Kitty, you're adorable. Yes. Do you swing both ways? Do you have a peeky hole? I'm stretching it now. Lock. Something with lock. Something with deadbolt. Kitty, are you a deadbolt? I have a supper. You want a supper? Come here. Don't just grab one leg or you'll break it. There he goes. Fizzley, is that the closet where we keep your weed? Is that where the catnip is? Poor kitty wants his catnip.
Not yet.
Fizzley, what is it? A mother and a baby ducks in the backyard. No, there's a kitty. Kitty, get out of there. Kitty. Kitty, we're trying to get a picture of the ducks. It's laying flat. Kitty, get out of here. We're trying to take a picture of the mother ducks. Piss off. those ducks fly yet, so... Son of a bitch, Cat. We have a mother duck and babies in the backyard, and they're scared of you because you keep moving. Son of a bitch! Get out of there! Get out of here! Get out of the picture! I don't want a picture of you. I want the ducks. We want to go to the pond. Hi, ducks. No! Don't go that way! Hi, ducks. Go that way. Go. Run. Run, ducks, run. Run. Run, ducks, go! Go! No! Go! Seriously. Slowing down. Fizzley, where's the bird? Where's the bird? Is there a bird outside? Is he coming to get your peanuts? Oh my God. Is the bird coming, Fizzley? Is he coming to get your peanut?